Hello. Got a little open box return found on Chicago Knife Works. Let's crack it open. Spyderco. Got the little native. Nice grippy handles. See if we can give it a flick. Oh, I can thumb it. There we go. Just gotta get the right spot on these. Little native Warncliffe CPM S30V Golden Colorado USA Earth. Very cool. Seen someone doing some mods to one of these. I was like, man, that's a neat little knife. I'll check that out. Definitely cool. Give a 3-finger grip back here. 4 fingers. Get up on the blade a little bit. Cool. Like the look of this one. I don't know why. Awesome looking little warny. Looks like it'd be a handy little knife. I can do it. I can do it. Yeah. Little learning curve on the small one. Got a McBee for comparison. I take this thing with me every day. Little 5th pocket knife. Still quite a bit smaller than the little native. Very cool. Also, was waiting on this. trouble with the T6 screw stripping out when I first got it. I was going to put these on, but looks pretty nice. Some Rips Garage Tech. Rips Garage Tech titanium scales. Little native warning. A little bit of a struggle, but I think it's well worth it. I like the feel of their G10, but I love some titanium. Like these, I think that worked out pretty good, except for stripping out a screw. Managed to find a hardware kit on Amazon. So had to wait a few days to put these on, but yeah, they fit good, look nice. Little native. Finally got the scales on. I think it looks great. Thanks for watching.